Hey travelers, I'm Winnie from China Explore Tour, your personal guide to all things about China travel. If you are planning a trip to China this year, this could be the most important video you watch before your journey. In China, even a simple 5 yuan bottle of water might be impossible to buy with cash. That's because China has gone nearly 100% digital. Over 90% of transactions now happen by mobile payments. In this guide, I will walk you through how to set up WeChat Pay as a foreigner, link your international cards, avoid common security pitfalls, and even have a fail-safe backup plan if everything goes wrong. And before we jump in, don't forget to hit the subscribe and ring the bell. We share insider tips every week that will make your China trip a breeze. So, step 1. Download and install WeChat. Let's start by getting WeChat installed properly. Here is a crucial tip. Make sure to download the international version of the app from your regular app store, not the Chinese version. This small detail makes a huge difference when it comes to linking foreign cards later. Once you have WeChat download, the registration process is pretty straightforward. Okay, let me show you here. You just open this app and tap sign up. Choose your country code and then enter your phone number. WeChat will send you a verification code via SMS. And once you enter that, your account is almost ready to go. Then let's go to the step 2, friend verification. There's one step that many people get stuck on. It's friend verification, which is sometimes required to verify your account, and this can be, tricky if you don't know someone who meets the conditions. If you book with China Explore Tour, we can help certainly verify your accounts before your trip. But if you are doing by yourself, here are 3 proven solutions. The option 1 would be contact WeChat supports directly and ask them to verify your accounts manually. It doesn't always work, but it's a worth try, isn't it? So option 2, you can find an online volunteer, like on Reddit or Facebook groups. You can offer a small thank you tip for their help. And option 3 is to purchase a verification service from a trusted seller on Fiverr, which have an 80% success rate. Now, let's talk about real name verification. Without it, you won't be able to make any payments. By the way, when you're scanning your passport, make sure to use bright, even lightning, to make sure all corners are visible and hold the camera still. Once your account is set up, let's link your card. Open WeChat, go to Me, tap Service, and then Wallet. From there, select Bank Cards and tap Add Card. When entering your details, make sure everything is typed exactly as shown on your card. If your card gets rejected, there are a few common reasons. Make sure your card type is supported. WeChat accepts Visa, MasterCards, and some JCB cards. Debit cards generally work better than credit cards. Some banks automatically block transactions from China due to, fraud protection or what, I don't know. Then you better call your bank and ask them to enable international transactions. Let them know you will be using your card in China so they don't flag it as suspicious. Once your card is linked, it's time to protect your money. WeChat Pay has an auto-debit feature which allows merchants to charge your card automatically. While useful for subscriptions, it can be risky if you're not careful. So to avoid this, let's go to, go to Me and Pay, then Settings, and turn off the auto-debit. Got it? And I think it's also important to make sure you are linking your card on a secure internet connection. Just avoid public Wi-Fi to reduce security risk. Okay, now that WeChat is set up and your card is linked, let's go to the fun part. Using it. The easiest way to pay in China is by scanning a QR code. So to do this, you just need to open WeChat and then select Scan. Point your camera at the merchant QR code. Enter the amount if required, and then confirm the payments. It's that simple. And just like that, your payment is complete. Some stores, especially in larger supermarkets or restaurants, they will scan your QR code instead. In that case, just tap Pay and your personal QR code will appear. WeChat isn't just for shopping. It's also your key to getting around China. You can book taxis, buy metro tickets, and even order food through mini programs within WeChat. These mini programs function like apps, but they make travel in China so much easier. For more details, feel free to click on this video. So that's it. We are now ready to use WeChat like a pro in China. Just keep in mind, though, that WeChat Pay is only one part of the picture. At China Explore Tour, we make China trips that are unlike other tourist trips. We don't just take you to the Great Wall, we also show you secret parts of it, like meet Chinese families and get you a real feel for China. Our bilingual team ensures you are comfortable while exploring China's charm. We take care of everything, from WeChat setup to finding the best local experience, so you can focus on making unforgettable memories. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insider tips. Drop your questions below. I personally reply to everyone. See you in China. 再见.